Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to tell you about welding inside water, how to weld and which type of instrument using for water in welding inside water, and especially is marine offshore welding. There is, you can see the holder and electrode is different. See the holder also is different. See, you see this, put inside the electrode and tight, they need to tight, and normally generally holder need to clip the electrode, but here no have to clip, here have to put inside the inside the holder, have small hole, put inside the hole and tight the holder. And the electrode size and thickness also different than normal electrode thickness. So before welding, see the position. Before welding you have to crush the electrode and weld. It is a very difficult and very dangerous if you are going to weld. So weld properly and clearly. You have to know about before welding, about what is about welding and all everything, and properly use the PP perfect PP used before the welding. See, there is a very difficult job inside water. The water welding is very difficult. So I hope you understand the welding, and in our channel all type of welding information is available. So if you are a beginner, you are first time going to weld, so you need to some knowledge, so please watch our video continues. We are going to teach you about everything about welding. We hope you like this video. We hope is video for you informative and knowledgeable video. For any type of queries, any type of doubts, you can write in comment section. We always trying to help you and give you the perfect and right suggestion to improve your welding. Welding skill is a very important. Welding is very difficult, but it's so easy that you can understand how to weld, how to do everything. See the person who are welding inside the water tank, that's many type of difficulties are facing.
How does underwater welding work? Few are aware the underwater welding. This is welding process come as a surprise to many, as electrical and water appear to be a the hazard of the incompatible combinations. However, underwater welding is the lucrative field and one of the most well-paid occupation of commercial drive, also called hyperbaric welding. Underwater welding was invented in the early 1930 and it's still used for maintenance and repair full of the partially submerged marine structure. Inland hyperbaric welding can work on small seacraft, dam and bridges. On the other land, offshore welding was a work on ship, oil rig, pipeline and underwater habitats. There many events have the perform welding work on nuclear power facilities. And what is underwater welding? Underwater welding process is quite similar to weld on land. Both type of welding employ the same basic equipment and techniques. Hence the man underwater weld get trained to be professional welder before learning commercial diving. There is no doubt that underwater welding is a dangerous occupation. However, with the right precautions and safety standard, many risks can be significantly mitigated. If you are interested in learning welding technique, you should enroll in the renowned welding school that offer training through experience and the certificate instruction. After that, it is necessary to obtain training from the accredited institutions for commercial driving. It takes a few years for training and work experience to become a proficient underwater welder. What is the risk in underwater welding? Risk. Most people know that salt water is a good conduct of electricity. Water poses the risk of electrocutions since it can act as a conduction path for current. Hence, we avoid we surface that may be close to the shore of electric power. Underwater welding, therefore, can be perilous, although this is one of the threats involved in the occupation. It is be one mean the biggest risk. The made by surprise to learn the other factor pose of far great there. I hope my dear friends you all are like this video for helpful for you, especially for who are the welder and starter beginner. If you know more knowledge about the welding, so please be continue with us our channel. So thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. If helpful, please like our video and share with your friends. Be continue to watch the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.